Is US100 done with the drop, and are we going to look forward to a retracement? Last week, as I shared, that we will be looking forward to a drop. That is what precisely has happened in US 100 and achieved the low at 13,300. Watch my last week's analysis. Definitely, you'll recall that this is the move which we had expected. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to happen next week? We will try to see again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, which will guide us for the next move ahead. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new, let me share that I provide twice a day update for US 100 along with other indices and commodities including gold, silver, oil, natural gas and index including Nasdaq 100, FTSE 100, Germany 40 and India index. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now look at the charts here. On the weekly charts you can see this was the time when it has started retracing. Whenever you can see here, see this was the reversal here, the reversal sign, and after that we have seen a consistent drop. It has come back again to these support levels, and the next support at 13,000 is very much evident. And in fact, this time if it continues to drop below 13,300, we may see it dropping till towards 12,900 levels also before it looks forward to a rise. And hence one can expect, see why 13,000 is important. A couple of supports here, and now again coming back into this zone 12,800 to 13,000. Hence one can expect that if it continues to trade below 13,300, rather I'll say 13,250, if it continues to trade below 13,250, we can expect that it is going to give you a sharper move taking it towards 12,800 12,900 zone. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts, and as I have always told that I'll be looking forward for Nasdaq 100 to achieve 11,000 some point of time in near future, not too far, in near future, maybe few months, maybe few weeks, but I'll be looking forward for US 100 to 11,000 levels. I have reiterated in my every video that I'll be looking forward to these levels soon on US 100, and I am confirming it here again. But this is just on the weekly charts. We are just looking at the next week's behavior for these instruments. Now look at the monthly candle. Monthly candles are beautifully situated, almost lower highs, and the support here at around 15,000 levels. It is trying to drop. If you look at the previous candles, it is given lower lows. Hence one cannot deny that it can try to come back to this zone between 12,800 900, probably getting the support here. It can retrace back a bit again on the upside, forming a first red candle, giving a room for the next red candle for next month as well. Hence one cannot deny a rise till towards, from those levels at around 12,800 900, one cannot deny a rise till towards 13,500 levels and 14,000 levels again. But whether this is going to happen in a week or so, that I will be doubtful. However, right now it appears that one thing is certain: if it drops below 12,240, one can expect it to come back till towards 13 to 40. One can expect it to come back till towards 12,900 and 12,840 levels. So this is what we can see on the monthly candle. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, couple of observations to make. See, after this minor retracement, this is the second red candle, and see, fall, retracement, drop, this is second red candle. Probably a third red candle may appear, which is going to be sharp enough for it to take it towards 12,900 12,840 12,820 zone. In fact, this time it can try to break further down, and this time it can try to go back towards 12,700 also. So but yes, this zone at 12,800 900 may provide a very strong support, and then a rise could be expected. Why I am saying so that rise could be expected? See, for one red candle, two red candle, and third warrior may come here, and after this, definitely this pattern sets a tone or sets a base for a minor retracement, where one can again expect it to come back till towards 13,500 levels. So this is what we can see here. And if you look at the indicators now, we will try to combine our observation on the candlestick charts with the help of the indicators, whether our thinking direction and our strategy is right, or is there any deviation from the indicators view. Now look at this. Now US 100 is trading below the 20 50 100 moving average. The 100 period moving average is 14,600, the 20 period moving average at 14,300, and the 50 period moving average at 14,000. Hence now the levels at 14,000 are going to remain the strongest resistance. Before this it may try to drop a bit. Even if it tries to retrace there, it has to drop first till towards 12,800 900 zone. And if you look at the daily stochastic, it is oversold here. And when I say oversold, it is also the variance is lagging behind, and hence it may take one or two more red candles for it to sustain. A drop can be expected, and then from there the rise can be expected, or retracement can be expected towards the end of the week or from the midweek onwards. Now look at the MACD, which is wide divergent, and the RSI is near to oversold zone. And if you look at the on the weekly charts, you will find on the weekly charts too, the support here at 13,000 is very strong. So yes, a drop till towards 12,900 12,800 zone can be expected, and from there a rise can be seen. The resistance now at around 13, you can see 13,500 levels, which is going to provide a little resistance for any upward move. Once you see it trading above 13,500, one can expect that it may come back till towards 13,800 and 14,000, which is going to remain a stronger resistance. Weekly charts also looking downwards. MACD is still wide divergent and sell side, and RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, now it is trading below the 20 months moving average, which is lying at around 13,500. That is very important, that yes, US100 is below the trading levels what it has seen in last 2 years. This is the average of these last 2 years, and below these levels, once it trades below 12,800, next month onwards it may try to come back to this zone. First 11,000 and then towards 10,000 also is possible. Markets can go any which ways. On the monthly candle, this is extremely divergent, hence a convergent candle can appear next month, which means that a little rise can be expected. RSI was overbought, and whenever it is overbought, achieved overbought zone, it may try to again rise back. See, drop and then a rise, drop and then a rise. So I'll be trading with caution. Now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. So next week, if you see it trading, but before I give you the trading levels, yes, you can also earn the same expertise by being or by joining my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May, where the 15-day session will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. The strategies taught will be meaningful for you. Also, you can be the member of my premium signals group, where trading as per the trades provided will definitely help you gain major profits. Now, yes, if you have any trading or training related queries, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look where to go long. So yes, if you see it trading above 13,400, 13,440, here you can take a long entry. Then the target is the nearest resistance 13,500, which is going to be the biggest resistance, and then one can expect 13,620, 13,700, and beyond that we may see a good rise towards 13,900 plus levels. On the upside, sky is the limit, hence we have to trade with caution there. On the downside, on the contrary, if you see it trading below 13,240, here you can take a short entry. The target is towards 13,100, 12,950, 12,860, and then below that 12,800. Below that, one can expect that it may try to go back till towards 12,650 levels. So yes, take your positions accordingly, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, every time you see your trade in profit, don't forget to switch the stop loss to your cost price there, so such that you can safeguard your capital first, and then you can take 10 entries at a time. So yes, take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.